CBSE's reform policy yielding results. Will ICSE learn? Now, if you look at this news, 60% of CBSE students of class 10th have improved their scores. The pass rate hits 96.78%, which is exceptional and phenomenal. Now, if you look at it, that CBSE, the last few years, have come up with various reform policies, education policies, and assessment methodology. So basically focusing on a holistic approach. Here we cannot also mentioning the recently introduced three language policy, which of course is debatable. We would be discussing about it very soon. But at the moment, our focus is giving chance to students to improve their scores, and you can see the results here. Now look at these statistics. After considering the better performance of students across the main and secondary board examinations, the overall pass percentage for class 10th in 2026 stands at 96.78%. So if you look at it, nearly 6,63,700 students appeared for the CBSE class 10th exam this year. Now, out of these, nearly 5,14,000 students reappeared to improve their score in the class 10th examination. What a fair chance. And here are the results. Almost 60% improved their score. Now, me, a CBSE old student sitting here thinking, wow, I was so distraught after my class 10th result. I always thought there was a scope of improvement, and here they're getting it. Of course, there are ifs and buts to it, but look at it, 60% of the students improve their score is a thing that you cannot negate or ignore. It is commendable. The board has also noticed that the compartment percentage in 2025 has also increased by nearly 48%. Well, talking about 2026, the 10th board examinations started around mid of Feb till the mid of March. The first one and the second attempt, that is the second board examination, took place between March 15th to May 21st. Now, the pertinent question here is CBSE took these reforms seriously because that is the need of the hour. What about other boards, in particular ICSE? As it is, the board is tougher. So I think they need to be little softer here and give this fair chance to the ICSE students as well. What do you think?